Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Andy here, and as promised, I said I'm going to do a video a day. I'll try my best anyway. And today, we're going to we've got some new tyres from the car already, because the old ones here, as you can see, are right down onto the metal, onto the metal bits there. So they actually need to be replaced. Well, they've been done, they've been replaced now. But now we have the problem is we need new bushes on the car, and so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to put some new bushes on it. So we're going to have a little trip to the garage and get that sorted. Now the plan was to take the car to be repaired, have some new bushes put in and everything. But they don't want to actually be filmed, so we're going to leave the car at the garage, let them get on with it, and we're going to go down to Coco Beach. So I can show you the local beach right here. So once again, this is avocados there. Can you see them? An avocado tree. And look, here's one I can just reach. There we go. An avocado. And there's another one there as well. That's one thing you don't see in the UK is avocados. Right, off to Coco Beach. So we finally arrived. Here we are at Coco Beach. Actually, it's quite next to the airport, really. So let's pop in and let's have a look. Ooh. Well, they just put a band on me, and it costs 5,000 to get in, which is just over £1. So that wasn't too bad. Oops. So here we are, Coco Beach in Entebbe. Now, while I'm here, I want to say I had a few people say when I did the video about the calf at the Victorian Mall, they said, "Oh, this is not really local." No, it's not. That's true. It's not really local, but I'm just trying to show you some of the tourist bits and pieces around here as well. I mean, local people here go as well, and the local people also went to the cafe I went to as well. So, I mean, I will try to go to do some real local stuff as well. But at the moment, we're just doing a daily blog, just see what you can see here in Entebbe. One thing I have noticed here, actually, it's very, very noisy. So I just hope I don't get a copyright strike on the music that's actually being played here. Right, let's continue our walk. Well, this is Coco Beach. The only criticism I have about this place, it's so noisy. As you can probably hear in the background. But I mean, it has a nice sandy beach anyway. And it's hard to believe that, in fact, this is actually a lake and not an ocean in front of me. Can't believe how nice the sand is here. I don't know if it's been imported or what, I don't know, but the sand is very fine and it's lovely. Yeah, so here we are. This is Coco Beach. So at Coco Beach, I thought I'd try some food actually. That's what I brought myself some chips down here, as you can see. Okay, and actually, it's not that cheap to eat here. Actually, those chips cost me actually £2, which is it's not cheap, is it? Not really. I don't think so, really. And I brought myself a Coke as well. And one Coke cost me around about £2.50. So, to be honest, at this resort, the Coco Resort here in Entebbe, even though it's a nice resort and the sand's nice and there's lots of little stands and stuff, it's not that actually cheap, not that locally anyway. getting a little bit later in the evening now. Lots of people actually come down here now, as you can see. There we go, guys, that's it. That's Coco Beach on here. Sun's starting to go down. Actually, it's a Friday night. A lot of people are actually starting to come out now. And yeah, it seems rather good. The van is still in repair, so we'll get that back tomorrow, so I gather. But anyway, we'll check it out. By the way, that's it. So thanks very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. That would be absolutely fantastic. And if you're watching this on TikTok, don't forget to follow and leave a comment. And also let me know if you do like the daily blogs that I'm doing at the moment here in Africa. I'll say bye for now. Catch you later. Bye bye.